Hey everyone, this is Greg from AI Light Show. In this video, we are going to use the Force 1.0 app to generate and save off the DMX profile for our DoppelBar PIX bar lights. Now, as always, consult your user's manual for your lighting fixture first before doing anything. In this case, we selected the 72 channel DMX personality for this light. So this light's pretty interesting. It has 12 primary red, green, blue pixels, each one being independently controlled. And surrounding each one of those, it has an additional set of red, green, blue LEDs. Now, what I like to do is I like to treat each section of those as one light. So in other words, the primary red, green, blue LED, as well as the surrounding red, green, blue LEDs, I like to treat those as one particular set of lights. And you'll see how I do that when generating the profile. So the first thing we need to do from the Force 1.0 app home screen is select DMX profiles. We're going to hit the add button on the bottom. We'll give this a name. So this is the, make sure I name this thing right, it is the DoppelBar PIX. And I always like to include the total number of channels so you know what personality this is associated with. All right, total number of channels, 72. And the default lighting element type selected, RGB, is the correct one. So we're definitely going to use the autofill channels control feature here. So we're going to populate the primary red, green, blue pixels first. So these occupy channels 1 through 36. So we start from channel 1. Start pixel is number 1. Total lighting elements is 12. This is coarse. We don't have coarse fine control options here, and we don't care about this for now. We're going to hit the autofill button, and it populates all first 36 channels for us. Now, the second set of red, green, blue lights, like I mentioned before, I want to treat those as being part of each one of these individual pixels, primary pixels. So we're going to auto-populate these as well. So now we're going to start from channel 37, since we already populated channels 1 through 36. We're going to start from pixel number 1 again, and we're also going to have an additional set of 12 lights. And I hit the autofill button, and you'll notice if I scroll down, all those have been pre-populated as well. So you'll notice I populate pixel number 1 through 12, which occupy the primary red, green, blue LEDs on channels 1 through 36. And then it populates the secondary lights, LEDs that surround the primary ones, starting from channels 37 through 72. And once again, those are numbered pixel number 1 through 12. And we are done. So hit the save button. Go back into our DMX profiles, and there is our DoppelBar PIX.